Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add green screen effects to your videos using CapCut. First, import the green screen video and the video you want to add to CapCut. I have already done it. Okay, add the two videos to this forum. Then select the green screen. Go to the cutout option in the video option. Tick the chroma key down there. After that, see if the color picker is selected. Okay, I have been selected. After that, move the mouse pointer to the video in this direction. Okay, then put the value of strength to 2. Adjust the shadow option below to the extent you like. Okay, now we have finished adding the green screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.